Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Manamada Rao. Doona your pastime visit to my channel. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get more videos and audios.
1. Chapter. Computer networking. Focus. Know about networking and TS advantages. Acquire knowledge of network architecture. Discover network security and identity. Different types of networks. Learn to access a file from shared drive. In the present world, networking is the key component of any communication. A few examples of different types of networks used for communicating at different places have been cited below. Broadcasting of programs across the globe has been made easier via radio and television. Widespread network of telephone system which enables one to talk to anyone, anywhere and anytime. Cash transactions at one's fingertips through the strong network of banks, ATMs, applications, apps, like Skype, Viber, etc. for video conferencing have reduced distances and many more. It is impossible to imagine life without networking. Phones, television and internet broadened all horizons for humans and have provided unlimited opportunities for grow. What is networking? A group of computers and peripheral devices are connected or linked together for sharing data and other hardware resources. This is known as networking. Each computer in a network is called a node. These compute can be linked through cable telephone lines, radio waves or infrared light beams. Sharing via a network. If you wish to share any information or document with your fellow members, it can be done on one computer in a network and the other computers will be able to access. Leo, in order to get a printout of that document, attach a printer to any computer in network and get a printout. Casily, the following figure is an illustration of the same process explained above. Fact zone. When two users are conversing each other on a video, it is known video conferencing. Wireless access point. Fig. 1. Sharing a document via a network. Fact Z. Internet refer computer net restricted to organization. Printer. Advantages of networking. Networking has its various advantages for any organization. It makes the work easier, effective and economic, and it also enhances efficiency. Let us learn how. 1. Keeping information safe. Instead of saving information on different computers, keeping a backup on a computer makes it all the more easier to locate data, making it handy for the two. Improving efficiency. Any modification, deletion or upgradation of software required can be done. Compute efficiently and effectively in the network at a single point only. 3. Reduces hardware costs. In every network, there lie a few unused hardware devices such as modems, printers, scanners, CD writer, etc. All these devices can be shared to reduce the cost of the hardware. Printer. For delivery of document, an instant access, the copy of deco can be provided through networking throughout the world. Saves paperwork. Once the document copy is shared, the different computer, the need for sharing hard greatly eliminated or reduced. Components of networking. In order to establish networking in a group of computer components are required. These have been described. B. Network card. A network card physically attaches a computer to a network. This enables the computer to participate in the network. Communication. Most of the computers these days have the network card in the motherboard. The most commonly used network card is Ethernet. Network cable. A twisted pair of cable containing 8 wires is used by the modern Ethernet network. The wires are arranged in a special order in an 1 to 15 connector, which is MR in design but bigger than the ones used in a telephone. Wire is crimped at both the ends of the cable. Switches and halves. A network that has more than 2 computers cannot be connected directly. In this case, we need an interface to connect and share the data. The desired action is performed by hub or a switch. Hubs have now been replaced by SCHES for their better efficiency. The following functions are performed by Huber. Fiery computer plugs into the hub switch, hence acts as a central connection for all the computers. It arranges the port in such a way that if any data is transmitted by PC, it over to the other computer through its network card. In other words, we can say that the hub or switch is a box with RJ45 ports. Part. Computer on a network is connected to a hub, switch via Ethernet cable. The following components are required to establish wireless networking in any network. Cards that are used in wired network are replaced with wireless network cards. Most of the laptops and computers these days come with inbuilt wireless. It is done. Hubs or switches are replaced with access points or routers. The wireless end increases the communication range of the radio signals. These access points also be used to join a wired network. This makes the network a combination of wired as well as wireless network. Network cards. Ethernet cable is not required for transferring data since using radio signals. To Internet, desktop with PCI wireless adapter. Types of network: cable modem, wireless router, laptop with wireless adapter card. Fig. 2. Wireless network. There are a wide variety and types of networks in use these days. Depending on the geographical area covered by a network, the various types of networks have been described below. Personal Area Network (PAN). Personal Area Network or PAN is a computer network created for fulfilling individual requirements. It is used for communication among various devices, i.e. smartphones, laptops, mobile phones, etc. TERK. It generally covers a range of less than 10 meters, i.e. about 30 feet, and can be both wired and wireless. You can transfer files including email, calendar appointments, digital photos, music, etc. using these networks. Local Area Network, LAN, when two or more computers and peripheral devices are physically connected within a small area such as room, office building, or a campus with wires, it is done using LAN. Although the data transmission speed is slow as compared to WAN, yet it can be easily administered and controlled by a single person or an organization. Metropolitan Area Network (MAN). LAN. It is a larger network than LAN, spread widely across a city. Since it covers a city, it is called metropolitan. The branches of a local bank in a city, ATMs, and cable television are the most common examples of MAN-type network. MAN. Fact zone. Wireless technology uses low-powered radio waves to transmit data between devices. LAN. LAN. Wide Area Network (WAN). The network that connects two or more computers located at faraway places is known as WAN. They are linked by communication facilities, like telecommunication or satellite signals. Telecom system is the most common example of WAN-type network. Its usage is not widespread and is limited to very large organizations and government agencies. Examples of WAN. The main feature of this type of network is that it requires a public telecommunication media to transfer data. Following are the best: national and multinational bank customer services, ATM facility, internet and intranet in a large multinational company. Fact zone. Wireless networking enables network to function even in an open space where cable cannot be laid. Practice zone. 1. List the different types of computer networks in descending order of their size. 2. Which type of network do you think is the Internet? 3. Write the full form of WAN. Network architecture. The overall design of a computer network that describes how a computer network is configured and the strategies that are being used in them is referred to as network architecture. The two types of computer networks are as follows. Network architecture. Client-server network. Peer-to-peer network. 10. WAN. 2. A list of shared drives are displayed in the view pane. COMN. 3. Select the required shared drive to see its contents. Go. 4. Find the required file in the drive. 5. Double-click on the file to open it. 6. Right-click on the file, select the copy option from the shortcut menu to copy it. 7. In the folder pane, select the computer icon, view the storage drive on your computer. Now, click on the drive where you want to place the copied file. Click anywhere on the view pane and select the paste option. 10. The They selected drive on your computer. Network security. Protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access is known as network security. It is one of the most important aspects in computer networking. Since the data is accessed by many users, ensuring its security is very important, and that only an authorized person can access or modify it. The following things in any organization may require security. 1. Leave records, salaries, performance appraisals, etc. 2. Any important information which can be misused or damaged by 3. People outside the company trying to access the confidential data. Levels of network security. 1. Login security. A unique login name and password is assigned to every member having an access to the system. 2. Rights security. Based upon the username. Enter network password. User can be granted the rights, like read-only access or read-write access or no access at all. Recall zone. A former employee, a member MyCert, Legend failure unknown username or Pemons. Networking is when two can communicate with each other, devices. Share, data and peripheral. Networking brings efficiency, effectiveness and economy in any organization. Satellites and microwave enable us to send messages at a very fast speed over long distances. The different types of networks are PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. The two types of computer networks are client-server and peer-to-peer. The computer that provides service to client is known as server. In peer-to-peer network, each computer can act as a server as well as a client. Network security refers to protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. 14. Assessment. A. Fill in the blanks. 1A. 2. Zone. Physically attaches a computer to a network. Is the network created for an individual? 3. Network security helps in protecting data from computers located. 4. Connects two or more is used across the city are more efficient than hubs these days. At a faraway place. Whereas. 5. B. State whether the following statements are true T, or false linked using F. Any cable. 1. The computer and networking don't need to be 2. Networking increased paperwork a lot. 3. Server acts as a central point of all the computers. 4. ATM facility is an example of man. 5. The computer which requests data retrieval from the server is termed as client. T. C. Choose the correct option for each of the following. 1. All computers that are connected to the server are B. LAN nodes. A. Laptop. D. Hubs. 2. Two or more computers and peripheral devices are physically connected within a small room, office or building using B. WAN. LAN. 3. The most commonly used network card is A. Wi-Fi Ethernet network card. C. MAN. B. Bluetooth. D. Internet card. 4. Data in the wireless network card is transferred using A. LAN. B. Radio signals. C. WAN. D. PAN. D. MAN. 5. A unique login name and password is assigned to a user to ensure the a login security. C. Network security. B. Right security. D. None of these. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Define the term networking. 2. Mention the advantages of networking. 3. What is the purpose of a network cable? 4. Differentiate between LAN and MAN. 5. Why is network security important? Write briefly. E. Describe the following in your own words. Intranet. B. Wireless networking. Fun zone. Identify your networks. 1. Which basic network best represents the interaction between you and your classmates in a discussion about your homework assignments? 2. If your lab had only standalone computers, what would be needed to convert it? Network lab. Lab zone. 1. Create an informative presentation on the different types of network and their use. Make it interesting by using animation. 2. Create a unique login ID and password for every user of your computer. Decide the rights to security for each one of them. Challenge. 1. Arun wants to attach his computer to a network in order to participate in network communication. Which card will suit him the best? 2. Sarah has started a business of providing cable network to her nearby houses. Which type of network will you suggest her to use? 3. Risha wants to share the pictures and videos of her newly born niece with her grandmother. Which technology should be used by her? 2. 16.